Yes,
What? Feeling me?
I am. Yes. My husband has to take these 4 times a day.
Every 4 hours.
Every 4 hours. But it's helping him. Stop it. He's looking a lot better. And not so much with his mask on, but he's feeling better, getting around a little bit more. But he still gets tired and dizzy ever so often. And
I was born dizzy.
Nice little pet area. It's all fenced in. It's actually quite a nice park. We're enjoying our stay here. We're parked right beside the dumpster, which is awesome. My daughter's allowing us to, well, not allowing us. She's she's on a cruise, so we've got her car till the end of April, I think. And there we are. And the clubhouse is right at the end of this street. It's nice. The people here are nice. And it's quiet at night, so we're enjoying it. And he's getting a lot of rest, so it's all good. Male and female, I believe.
Yeah, the male has a red, small red on its head. Usually the bigger one. Those ones get red on their head too.
Crescent moon. Way far away up there. Whoa. We have a pretty sunset tonight. Very pretty.